almost air conditioner time, even though it doesn't really feel like it today. So what can you do and what can you not do to help your own air conditioner? Gary's here from Home Comfort Experts to tell us the shoulds and should nots.
Right.
So what are the shoulds first?
Well, have you ever tried working on your air conditioner?
I have your phone number in my cell phone. I just text you.
That's right. Well, there is some things that homeowners can do to help their air conditioner. So, you know, they can do a little bit of the maintenance themselves on them. Things that help us for when we come to do regular maintenance. One is keep your bushes and stuff around your house trimmed back away from them. You go to a lot of homes, the guys get there and they're overgrown, they can't get to them. They end up having to cut that stuff back. You know, that's not really part of the maintenance on your air conditioner.
You're not landscapers, too?
We're not landscapers. So one thing you can do is keep them cut back at least a foot or more away from the air conditioner. And I'm always cautious on telling people to do too much on their air conditioner because there's electricity involved in it. But you can also wash your air conditioner if you haven't had maintenance done or you've got it planned and you got a while down the road before you're getting it done. We're known for having cottonwood in this area, along the rivers and that type of thing, and that will get packed in those air conditioners. And you can actually take your garden hose and spray that down off of that coil to help that breathe inside. Let the air through that coil so it can transfer that heat. One of the other things is change your filter. We talk about airflow a lot in the homes and air, the air being clean and stuff. That air going through that furnace and that filter and getting blown through that coil is very important as well.
So if I have the membership agreement with you all and you come out twice a year, should I be changing it on my own as well?
Well,
depends on the house, maybe?
Right. Every house is different. The filter that you have is a very good filter, pleated filter, one of our April Air cabinets, and that generally, on just like I said, it depends on the home, but that can usually go 6 months, before it needs changed at least. If some homes, it's a year.
Okay.
Some homes needs change more often than that. Just depends, people in the home, pets. That type of thing. Kids, they're dirty.
Kids are dirty.
Kids are dirty.
Turns out kids are dirty.
And those filters will get plugged up quickly, and you can change them in between, your maintenances when we're there.
Okay.
So that's, one of the things you can do. Things that you probably shouldn't do, tearing down your air conditioner outside,
Don't be taking it apart.
Don't take it apart, don't try and hook up gauges to it if you don't train to do so. A lot of really bad things, shock hazards, of course, refrigeration. If that refrigerant sprays out and gets on your hands is very dangerous, and you need to be certified to handle it. So that's, what we train our guys to do.
Yeah, I don't think I want to get involved. Is it still Freon? Is that what's in there, or is it a different kind of refrigerant now?
Well, there's a lot of different kinds of Freon. There's a lot of different, mixtures of it. Some of it is being phased out, and there's new refrigerants that are coming in, and you need to be trained on how to handle those.
Dangerous. That's all. When I hear that, I just think it's dangerous. I probably don't want to have anything to do with that.
Yeah, just call us.
Yeah, it's better. Just call them. 260-490-5100. It's better to just call them. Now is the time, even though it is chilly today, now's the time to get that air conditioner scheduled because, dear heavens, in a week we could have, knock on wood,
right, let's hope
75 or 80 degrees, right?
Well, that's what I'm counting on.
Yes, please.
If you could tell the weatherman that, I'd appreciate it.
We'll get right on that.
But yeah, if you want to get it scheduled, now's the time to do it. Those slots are booking up, and we have our regular maintenance agreement customers that a lot of them are already on the board to get that done. You better speak up now and get your spot, so that we can get them all taken care of. So.
Well, and the other thing is too, you'd rather do it preemptively than it be 75 degrees and you go to turn it on and there be a problem. Better to have it done now. Yeah,
you want to catch it ahead of time, and we always guarantee if you have maintenance done, we'll get you through the season, or you don't pay for us to come out with a service call, that type of thing, and it just protects you from having unwanted bills.
Absolutely. Well, let them check out that air conditioner. No need to get shocked by the air conditioner. That's not the way you want to get woken up. So give them a call, 260-490-5100. We'll be right back.